Now we use this controller. Create a new program from welding align, not welding, only test. Okay, we now create a new program. Create a new program name and please create. Okay, we first moving use the teach model. In the teach model, then we record this point. Record. Then choose the fast. This point, the save the program. Then we use the XYZ the model and moving the robot moving. You know. OK， 等一下，记点的时候叫我。Then we choose the fast. The from the 0 point go here. We record the two point. 你记点，移到位的记点的时候，我过来啊。好，第3个点。往这边移到这边来。再往下来一点。OK。We now 0.2 here and go here, right? Then choose the fast. Then we go to here. 你自己看一眼，没问题。到了吗？OK. Here you can use the line. Also, you can choose the fast. If you want not to choose the fast, only moving the line, go here. We can choose the line. Then here is welding start. We choose the icon. Then here is the icon. Then welding line. We moving the robot. Here is start, here is end, right? We must record this point. Record point, we use the line. The speed we will change next. And then here is start. Here is icon. We now moving the here line, and then we use the arcing off. Here is we change the welding speed. Here we choose click choose record, and then choose this. And here is change the speed. We now change the 20. Here is have meter 20 millimeter seconds. Okay. We now choose the OK. We now choose the here to not choose here, only choose here to next program. 台枪。We choose the touch to go up. OK. Choose the fast. Okay, it's fast. After you do it, we let the robot go to the 0 point and choose this part. Choose this part and click choose here and to call. Please and change the speed. Okay, to next we choose here, choose the program. Also save this point, choose the fast. After you do it, we close the record, close the record. Then must save it. Here is the yellow limit. We must do save and save. Okay, here is now. This slide the program is finished. It teach the program finished. Then how to check it to model. Choose let the auto. Also you can choose this. Choose this. We learn just we teach very line by the teach model. When we let the robot moving, how to check it. When we first we choose this, use this button, check it. Here is one model. We choose this. Then choose. We must choose the first one. Then choose the auto. Choose the auto. Then start heat. Must from the 1 to go up. From up to down, we must start the heat.哎，还有这，速度要改吗？must here is not no. We must stop. Yes. 然后手轮吗？现在手轮可以移吗？可以。来 check it。哎，你把这个手拿上去，就拿个纸，不是你挡住我视线了，不是这样，你这个手拿到这边，就拿个手指这样转，啊 ，That's it。好，再来一遍。From the start, we do again. Choose yes. 然后移的时候可以快，可以慢啊！来，等一下啊！移，好，慢一点。好，快。This button can fast or slowly. The robot will moving slowly or fast. Okay. This model we choose this button. If we want not this button, let the robot auto run. We can choose close this, then choose fast, choose start. Here is must change the speed. If we want the robot, the program is no problem. He can change the 100%. Then choose start, Then choose yes. The robot will go. Right. The waiting speed can change it. We just set the 20 millimeter second. OK， 再走一遍。 好 this one is how to use two model to run the program. No waiting, only testing. We now let's learn how to wait and to line to the circle. Okay, to the circle.